Param Shanti. Bapuji has said that 2026, such incidents, such scenes can be seen which will repeatedly point you towards war. The 2027 will gradually take a practical form that we will see in 2026. In 2028, there will be more intensity in the atmosphere. Whatever fear, whatever war, whatever situation we are seeing, whatever natural calamities we are seeing, all of that will practically increase. And 2028 will be, and 2029 will be, this will be a very struggling life. In 2029, the final year, it can be such where there will be civil war in India and Third World War will be declared abroad. Look, this is Mysteryolok, and Mysteryolok is not going to last forever. If souls do not awaken, then the atmosphere will not change. The world of sorrow, the Almighty Authority does not always want it to remain. Why will this world change? What is the need for it to change? Has our consciousness not fallen so much? Has the atmosphere not fallen so much that we are thinking that someone will come, Kalki, Avatar will come and some big change will come? We are not doing any work on ourselves. The war of religion and caste is increasing. The way there is no food to eat, no water to drink, no air to breathe, then how will this earth sustain? When the consciousness of the earth has fallen so much, the war has become a normal thing. Fraud has become a strategy. Where we talk about violence, it has become entertainment for people. And when we talk about compassion, it has become weakness. Why should it change? So we say that our Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, is all-powerful. He is the embodiment of bliss. Now, will He run this permanent factory of sorrow? Because this will only keep increasing. So will God make His creation, or will He keep this world as a factory of sorrow? Bapuji has said that today, the influence of such a subtle world has fallen on the earth, and 99% of the negative aliens' influence is happening on the earth. And because of that, if humans do not throw atom bombs today, then aliens and ghost-like souls, subtle souls, who have mingled together become one, they will complete this work. Man is eating man. This will not only happen in 2026. In 2026, many more things will happen. This video is to awaken the sleeping souls.
What
Param
is the
Shanti
ultimate
Aga.
truth of existence? Who unlocked the gateway to infinite knowledge? The mystery will be revealed in 2026. Param Shanti, the ultimate truth, a spiritual biography based on the life of Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel. Coming soon. Stay tuned.